Let me tell you the truth. Most Americans are choosing the wrong health insurance. They see the low deductible on a PPO plan and think, safety. But they are missing out on the single greatest tax-free savings account the government offers. Today, we're talking about the High Deductible Health Plan, or HDHP. I know, the words high deductible sound scary, but this plan, when paired with an HSA, is a financial powerhouse. I'm going to break down the 4 financial superpowers of the HDHP HSA combo that your employer probably never explained. Stick around for superpower number 4, the ultimate wealth-building secret, because that's the one that lets you use healthcare savings like a retirement account. Let's start with superpower number 1, massive premium savings. This is the first and most obvious benefit. Because the deductible is high, the monthly cost, your premium, is much lower than a PPO plan. That's money back in your pocket right now. Imagine saving $200 a month on premiums. That's $2,400 per year. Now, yes, you have a high deductible, say $3,000. But if you're generally healthy, that $2,400 stays in your bank account, not in your insurer's pocket. You are essentially self-insuring the first few thousand, keeping the savings unless a catastrophe hits. Saving money on premiums is great, but the real game changer is how you pay for that high deductible. That's superpower number 2. Superpower number 2, the triple tax advantage of the HSA. This is the magic. You can only open a health savings account, HSA, if you have an HDHP. Why is the HSA so powerful? It's the only account in the US with 3 tax benefits. First, tax-free contributions. The money you put in avoids income tax. Second, tax-free growth. The money grows year after year, just like a 401k, but you pay 0 tax on the earnings. And third, this is the best part. When you take the money out for qualified healthcare costs, it's tax-free withdrawals too. Money goes in, grows, and comes out, all tax-free. No other account does this. So you're saving money on taxes and premiums. But what happens if you don't use the money? Most insurance accounts make you lose it. But not this one. That's superpower number 3. Superpower number 3, the money never expires. Unlike a flexible spending account, or FSA, which usually makes you forfeit the money at the end of the year, your HSA balance belongs to you forever. It rolls over. This is essential for long-term planning. You can start funding it in your 20s and build up a huge tax-free cushion for future health needs. It's portable too. If you change jobs, the money goes with you. This means you can be aggressive in saving, knowing that even if you don't break your leg this year, that money is waiting, growing, and guaranteed to be available when you actually need it decades down the line. This all sounds great for healthcare, but here is the final secret. The one that turns your HSA into one of the most powerful retirement accounts on the planet. This is superpower number 4, and why financial experts love this plan. Superpower number 4, the retirement account hack. Once you turn 65, your HSA changes rules. It functions exactly like a traditional 401k or IRA. Before age 65, you can only pull money out tax-free for healthcare. But after age 65, you can pull money out for any reason, healthcare or not, without penalty. You only pay regular income tax on non-medical withdrawals, just like a 401k. However, all those tax-free healthcare withdrawals are still tax-free. Think about that. It's a 401k with a huge tax advantage for medical costs, and it's a standard retirement account for everything else. That flexibility is unmatched. So, why only choose an HDHP? Because it's the only path to the financial power of the HSA. You get premium savings, the triple tax advantage, a forever account that rolls over, and the best retirement account hack available. The choice is clear. If this unlocked a new financial strategy for you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insurance secrets. Now that you know why to choose the HDHP, you need to know how it stacks up against the other plans. Click here to watch my full comparison of HMO versus PPO versus HDHP plans.